Hey everyone, Jessica here, and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. It's currently week 51, and I'm going to take you into two different restores in the central North Carolina area. The restore is a great place to look for furniture, home decor, and even some home improvement and building supplies. And as always, I will show you anything that I purchase at the end of the video. And let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I would love to hear your answers. So it looks like somebody donated their entire collection of Muppet Dolls. These were brand new and they had tags on them. So they were only selling this as an entire set, and it was $195 for the entire set of dolls. But they were a green tag, so that means they were 20% off. There were 13 dolls. It would have averaged them out to $12 a doll. What I really love about the restore is not only do they have great furniture pieces, they also have things like light fixtures, ceiling fans, pretty much anything that's left over from a home improvement project. They also had a whole section of Christmas ornaments right when you walk in, and these were all 25 cents each, so I thought I would check them out. I saw a cute little vintage Big Bird ornament, and also this really creepy little wooden clown ornament. The restore also has houseware items for a pretty reasonable price. So now I'm just gonna walk around and see if I can find any plain white large salad bowls. I've been on the hunt for some. I didn't find any today, but I did come across these 3 really pretty ironstone plates, and I really like the pattern around the edge. So someone that is a cat lover or collector is going to love finding this little piece right here. It was a vintage Otagiri music box, and it was a green tag, so it was 20% off. So has anybody seen a milk glass vase like this before? This one seems very modern compared to the ones that I'm used to seeing. This happens to be the one thing that I regret not getting on this trip. I actually need a hand mirror, and I loved how this one looked. It was $5, and I think I'm going to try going back to see if it's still there. So now I'm going to take you into the second location for the day, and I will have links to both of the stores in the description box, as well as the Restore website. That way you can check to see if there's one in your area. Right away, before I even got into the store, these two chairs caught my eye. They were only $2 a piece and they were 20% off. With a little bit of love, I think these chairs could be a great trash to treasure project. I really want to change out the light fixtures in one of my bathrooms, and these ones would have been perfect, but the items are as is and they don't test them, so there is a chance that they might not even work, so that's why I left them behind. They looked brand new, they were only $15, they probably would have been fine, but I just didn't want to take the chance. The last store I took you in had Christmas ornaments for 25 cents. The ones in this particular store were slightly higher at 50 cents. The one thing that I regret not getting in this particular store were these little salt and pepper shakers here. I didn't realize that they were actually 40% off. They have an orange sticker. I thought they were super cute, and I might try to go back and get these as well. They also have really cheap odds and ends like knobs and hinges. So if you're doing a furniture makeover and you need a couple of knobs, definitely check here because you can find them really cheap. And now I'm going to show you what I purchased from both stores. The first item that I purchased from the first store was the box set of Hallmark ornaments. They were garden themed and they were $2 for the entire box. The retail price on the side was like $21. So I thought these were so adorable. I love gardening, so I definitely wanted to grab these. And now I'm going to show you each little piece individually because I think they are so cute. The first one is this adorable little bird bath that has a red cardinal on it, and it even looks like there's water inside of the bird bath. The next ornament is a cute little basket with a handle on it, and it has some gardening tools inside. And the next one is a little Christmas tree inside of a pot. Then we have a cute little pair of green gloves with another gardening tool. And this looks like a little green pair of Crocs. And the last ornament is this adorable little watering can, and I love how the handle actually moves. So I'm actually not going to keep this set. I'm going to include it in an upcoming giveaway, which I will be announcing next week, so stay tuned for that. So the next two items I purchased in the second Restore, and they were the 50-cent ornaments. I got the gold star and this little clear bird. And now I'm going to show you how they look on my Christmas tree. So I like to collect a lot of different thrifted Christmas tree ornaments, and I actually found a couple last week and I showed them, and I had a couple of you guys request to see my tree this year, so I wanted to show you how it looks. It's all done now. As you can see, my tree is very neutral and I have a lot of different metallics. This happens to be one of my favorite ornaments on the tree, this Marilyn Monroe. Speaking of stars, here is the star that I just purchased. I have it kind of nearby. And here's another star that I got a couple of years ago. And then here is the clear bird that I just got. He's over here on the side. I really like these clear ornaments. And I have a lot of these little seahorses right here, so I like to kind of mix and match them. So that is what my tree looks like. And my dog Peanut wants to say goodbye to everybody. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and we hope to see you back for the very last week of this project, which will be week 52.